Welcome back. Today we will talk about how to choose a pneumatic cylinder. If you're not sure which pneumatic cylinder to choose, this guide will make it easy. Some key factors to consider. Its cylinder type. There is a single acting, double acting, rod or rodless, compact or guided, or any different, because here you can see how much different cylinders there are. And comment below if you want an in-depth video about cylinder types. And if you do not care what cylinder to use, you're just searching for some new project or something, uh, basically check the ISO standard cylinder or any other standard cylinder, because usually it's a best price and quality relation. So one most important thing is bore size. It's this how big cylinder is, because the force that cylinder produce is pressure multiplied by area that cylinder have. Here you can see standard European sizes, and here you can see standard USA sizes. And you can calculate all the time area, surface, and pressure, or you can just use some table that almost any manufacturer have. Here you can see bars and power in newtons. And to make it kilograms, just divide by 10. Second key feature is cylinder stroke. Maybe sometimes you need very short stroke, maybe sometimes very long stroke. Usually from 5 millimeters to 6,000 millimeters. And why it is important? Because actually cylinder will only stop when the force that is going that way will be the same, it's going that way. And for example, if you have here machinery or something and very big cylinder will try to break this machinery or this surface that they're going in. So don't take 1 meter long cylinder if you need only 100 millimeters or so. Also, cylinders have different mounting type. For example, this one have L brackets that install in these threads, and it's for very strict installment. Also, we have civil joints, uh, any different types of connections, but always just check it with the manufacturer's catalog, because most likely if you found cylinder catalog, connections will be there also. Fourth thing is load and speed requirements. With load, I mean these dynamic forces that can apply from side to cylinder, because this type of cylinder very straight force, not in an angle. Because if it will be in an angle, especially if cylinder is out, you have a big angle here. So you start to broke this bore place. Also, you can just break the thread off. There could be problem with the bending rod or deformed piston or cylinder itself, because it's a huge amount of power. If you have these dynamic loads, then just check these guided versions of cylinders. And why speed requirements are very important? Because as you see here, cylinder goes very fast that way. But if I try to close this flow regulator very tight to make this very slow return, cylinder will make this. You can see how it's not movement is not uneven. It's just jogging in. So yeah, standard cylinder is not meant to be used with very slow movements, because there is tension on the piston and bearing or any other seal what is in it. And when this camera gets bigger, air can't go that in so fast. So cylinder all the time like accumulate pressure, move a bit, accumulate pressure, move a bit, and yeah, it's making this juggling. So check speed what you need to use, because there are specific cylinders that are mentioned to be used with very small speeds. Last but not least, it's environment and durability, because there's a lot of modification for cylinders for example, heat, cold, food industry, I don't know, wood, chimps, dust. Just check in the catalog in manufacturer that you choose, because usually there are a lot of a lot of modifications, especially if you're looking for standard cylinders like this one. Okay, thank you for watching. If you have some question, please comment below, ask, and see you next video.